Welcome to Learn and Teach American English with Maestro Cersei podcast. Our educational podcast is designed for adult learners who are new to the United States. It covers numerous essential topics, real situations you will encounter in daily American life. Each episode is organized into 3 sections. Section 1, Key Vocabulary. 10 important words and phrases related to the topic, each with a clear definition and an example sentence showing how it is used in context. Section 2, Dialogue. A realistic conversation between 2 or more people in a real-life situation. Pay attention to the phrases used and the polite, direct communication style common in the United States. Section 3, Article. An informational article that gives you deeper knowledge about the topic. After listening, try to summarize the main ideas in your own words. Suggested study approach for best results, study 1 episode per session. First, review the vocabulary. Second, listen to the dialogue. Third, listen to the article. Then, review the episode 1 more time to reinforce what you have learned. This podcast covers transportation, finance, health, education, employment, daily life, housing, safety, community resources, civic life, and a variety of other helpful topics, the areas of American life where strong English skills matter most. Okay, are you ready to begin? Let's get started.
Grocery shopping on a budget. Reading labels, comparing unit prices, and using coupons and apps. Section 1. Key vocabulary. Study these 10 words and phrases. They will help you in this situation. 1. Unit price. The cost per ounce, pound, or piece helps you compare the true cost of different sized products. Example. The larger box has a lower unit price, so it is a better deal even though it costs more upfront. 2. Expiration date. The date printed on food packaging after which the product may not be safe or good to eat. Example. Always check the expiration date on dairy products before putting them in your cart. 3. Organic. Food grown or produced without synthetic pesticides or chemicals, usually more expensive. Example. Organic strawberries are more expensive, but some people prefer them for health reasons. 4. Generic brand. A store's own version of a product, usually cheaper than national brands but similar in quality. Example. I bought the generic brand of pasta. It cost $1 less and tasted the same. 5. Loyalty card. A free card from a store that gives you discounts and tracks your purchases for special deals. Example: I signed up for the store's loyalty card and saved $8 on my groceries this week. 6. Coupon. A certificate that gives you a discount on a specific item. Example: I found a coupon online for $1 off cereal and used it at checkout to save money. 7. Rain check. A promise from the store to sell you a sale item at the sale price after it runs out of stock. Example: the store was out of the sale yogurt, so I asked for a rain check to use next week. 8. Produce. Fresh fruits and vegetables sold in the grocery store. Example: the produce section is usually near the entrance. I always buy seasonal fruits there. 9. BOGO. Buy one, get one, a promotion where you buy one item and get a second one free or at a discount. Example: the cereal was BOGO this week, so I bought 2 boxes for the price of one. 10. Nutritional label. A printed panel on food packaging showing serving size, calories, and nutritional content. Example: I checked the nutritional label and chose the cereal with less sugar. Section 2. Dialogue. At the grocery store. Sophia: excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for canned tomatoes, but I'm not sure which one is the best deal. Employee: sure. Let me show you. See this small tag on the shelf? It shows the unit price, the cost per ounce. Sophia: oh, so this big can says 4 cents per ounce, and the small one says 7 cents per ounce. The big can is cheaper? Employee: exactly. The big can costs more in total, but you get more for your money. Sophia: that makes sense. What about the store brand versus the national brand? Employee: in most cases, they are very similar in quality. The store brand is usually 20 to 30% cheaper. Sophia: good to know. Also, I have this coupon for $1 off pasta. Does it work here? Employee: yes, just scan it at the register or give it to the cashier. Do you have a loyalty card? Sophia: not yet. Is it worth getting? Employee: Definitely. It is free to sign up, and you automatically get store discounts at checkout. You can sign up on your phone in 2 minutes. Sophia. Perfect. And one more question. I saw strawberries advertised for $1.99, but I cannot find them. Employee. We may be sold out. Ask at the customer service desk. They can give you a rain check so you can buy them at that price when we restock. Section 3. Article. Smart grocery shopping on a limited budget. Grocery shopping in the United States can be expensive, but there are many ways to save money and eat well on a limited budget. Learning to read labels, compare prices, and take advantage of deals will help your money go further. The first strategy is to make a shopping list before you go. When you shop without a list, you tend to buy things you do not need. Plan your meals for the week, write down exactly what you need, and stick to the list. When comparing prices, always look at the unit price, the cost per ounce or per pound, rather than the total price. The unit price is usually shown on the small shelf label. A larger package often costs less per ounce than a smaller one, making it a better value if you will use it all. Store brands, also called generic brands, are often 20 to 30% cheaper than name brands and are frequently made by the same manufacturers. Buying store brand products for items like pasta, canned goods, and cleaning supplies is an easy way to reduce your bill. Coupons can also save you significant money. You can find coupons in the Sunday newspaper, on the store's app, and on websites like coupons.com. Most stores also have free loyalty cards that automatically apply discounts when you check out. Planning meals around what is on sale is another effective strategy. Check the store's weekly ad either in the store or on their website before you shop, and plan your meals based on what is discounted that week. Buying fresh produce that is in season is both healthier and cheaper. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are at their peak freshness and lowest price. If you find a good deal, consider buying extra and freezing what you cannot use right away.
Thank you so much for listening to the Learn and Teach American English with Maestro Cersei podcast. Today's episode is designed to help adult English learners communicate with confidence in real American situations. Here's what I'd like you to do before our next episode. Review today's vocabulary, practice the dialogue out loud, and listen again to the article, maybe even take notes. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe to our podcast and share it with a friend or colleague. Your support helps us reach more learners around the world. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.